Okay, so when we greet using Zulu, which is one of the native languages from South Africa, even though we have 12 official languages, but Zulu is the most popular language in South Africa. So if you greet one person, you say Sawubona. Then if it's two people or more, we say Sanibonani, right? That's hello to one person. Then they'll say to you Gunjani, which means how are you feeling? Then you have to say Ngiyaphila, which means I'm good.
Make it shine so bright. One click away from changing your life. Subscribe, like, share, and comment now. Raise the roof, let's show 'em how. Spread the love, let it go worldwide.
Sanibonani, everybody. Today I am doing a free walking tour in Soweto. I found a tour guide on Guru Walk, and so even though it's raining, we're gonna go out here and see what we see. We're gonna start here at the June 16th Memorial. The guide will show us around inside. I can't film inside, so I'll let you know how it is afterward, and we'll see what cool people we meet on the tour. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Thabo, a local tour guide from South Africa, Johannesburg, Soweto. So today we are going to explore the June 16 Soweto Uprising's history, and also go to Nelson Mandela House, Archbishop Desmond Tutu House, and also get to eat some local food at Vilakazi Street. So yeah, please come along and join me, and you can also find me on the platforms like Guru Walk, Free Tour, with locals. So yeah, check me out, and hopefully you guys will join me. Thank you. These are the 12 different schools that took part in the protest.
Pack my life in a worn-out bag. Maps and dreams with a jet lag drag. Chasing sunsets where the skyline bends. A world of strangers to be friends. On the move, I feel alive. Every mile a new surprise. Taste the spice of every land. Freedom's anthem.
This is the one for Josie, right? When you're going to the city, you do this. Then this one is local. So this one simply means you're not going far. You're just going around here. But there's a lot more signs. There's 5, there's 6, there's 7, depending on which part of the city you're going to. Yeah. Danko. Actually, it's danke. We took it from the Dutch. But as the youth around here, we try to put a slang on it. So instead of an E at the end, we put an O. So we say danko. Whenever we have braai, it has to have pap. Then our famous salad, it's chakalaka. Chakalaka. It's a little bit spicy, depending on how.
Laptop glowing in a seaside bar. Wi-Fi signal.
Hi, South Africa!
Sipping stories brewed with endless flair. Every corner whispers.
Roli Sasha. Roli Sasha. Sasha. Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
A new surprise.
This one represents the black people. This one represents the white people. Yeah. So everything has a meaning on here.
On the move, I feel alive. Every mile a new surprise. Taste the spice of every land. Freedom's anthem in my head. Breathe in my head. City lights or mountain peaks, silent deserts or crowded streets. Every flavor, every sound, my heart beats where none are bound. On the move, I feel alive. Every mile.
Welcome.
Yeah. Across the street from Mandela House, you can have the Hard Rock Cafe.
City lights flash where the skyline bends. Packing my gear as
the journey begins. A passport stamp with stories untold, chasing the sun and the wanderlust gold. TMax, rolling with the tide, culture and language, my compass and guide. From mountain peaks to the ocean spray, the world's my home, I'm here to stay.
Market streets buzz with vibrant glow. Every word I learn, every phrase I know. Crossing the borders of life and land with the camera in one and a dream in hand.
This one from Soweto. This one is Sundowns from Pretoria. This one is Kaizer Chiefs, also from Soweto. Whenever these two are playing against each other, we call it a Soweto derby.
And a dream in hand, I'm the TMax, rolling with the tide. Culture and language, my compass and guide. From mountain peaks to the ocean spray, the world's my home, I'm here to stay.
A world of voices calling my name, different faces, but the heart's the same. The language of life is all that I seek.
Every frame I shoot, every tale I speak. I'm the TMax, rolling with the tide. Culture and language, my compass and guide.
Inaba. Yeah.
Ngaba.
Inaba.
Inaba.
You had the tricks.
Inaba.
Inaba.
Hey, wait for me.
Inaba. Inaba. Inaba.
Not bad at all. Yeah, the clicking part.
Ginger ale,
Yeah, the clicking part is not easy here.
but also like a little bit of
So
cream
that's
soda in there.
awesome. The language that has
I don't
this,
like cream soda, so this is
called
good.
when I say ngomgqibelo ngiyakugqirha ngenxa yokuba intloko yami iyaqaqamba. So I'm simply saying on weekend I'm going to the doctor just because I've got non-stop headache. Yeah. So that's Xhosa.
You guys remember that?
Okay.
Whoa.
Underneath the chips or the fries, there's achar, which is pickled mango, right? Came with the Indians in South Africa. Then it's your chips, it's your cheese. Then the sliced meat, we call it French polony, right? That's the name. Then the sausage that you're seeing on top, we call it Russian. Russian, yeah, that's the name of the sausage. So how you eat it, you have to get rid of the stick, then press it down a bit, yeah? Then you just hold it like this, like a hamburger. Okay, if you can't eat
No
it
way
like that,
you're
it's
gonna-
fine.
you
You
can
can
do it.
eat it the way you will manage it, but that's how we eat it, yeah. Just like that, yeah. So that you get to taste everything at once, yeah. Then the name Kota comes from, we are using quarter of the bread. We are not using a loaf of a bread. We are not using a half of the bread. Instead, it's a quarter of the bread. So that's where the name Kota comes from. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Then it's called Kota because they use a quarter of the bread. We're just gonna go for it.
Go. Wow.
She a bad boy.
She a bad bee. Oh.
That's delightful.
He went to university, as you can see, there's Swami University of Technology there. So that's the university that he went to. But he never got a job. That's how he came up with this business.
The size of my head.
One of my sausages on the side. Is that okay?
Yeah, you can put it
Like this? This way?
What is it?
Yeah.
She said it's like a.
Then you just go for it, yeah. Yeah, nice. Nice.
Oh, he's got it.
Oh man,
So nice.
that's so good.
It makes you wanna cry. Danke.
I have just done my first ever walking tour, and what a place to do it. We started at the 16th of June Memorial. Just unbelievable experience in terms of understanding what has happened, how it happened, and actually the facts that you actually understand here compared to what is shown on the media or online as well. So
Really cool, interesting tour. I think what was super interesting for me is we've learned loads about like the apartheid and what that meant, but hearing some of the more personal stories and also the toll it took on the education system and actually how that created more of a divide than ever and also feeds into a lot of kind of what the situation is like today was super interesting. On the other side, I really enjoyed the local food that we tried, the Kota, which was this
Oh,
fat, gorgeous sandwich, which was super cool. So really nice to just experience like history, culture, and some of the areas. The taxi was really cool.
yes.
The way you kind of flag down a taxi here is really cool. There's like different signals,
City centre, local.
but then there's also like number 5, which is somewhere specific within the city centre. So yeah, thought that system was pretty neat.
Oi, gente. Bom, eu estava aqui com o grupo e o Walking Tour com o guia foi muito bom. Eu aproveitei bastante, conheci muita coisa sobre a história aqui do bairro, sobre o levante de Soweto. Isso é sempre importante, pelo menos para mim, nas viagens, de não só ficar olhando as coisas turísticas, mas também de conhecer um pouco mais, de uma forma mais aprofundada, os acontecimentos, conhecer a história, a gente sempre aprende um pouco com isso e quem sabe se torna uma pessoa até melhor, né? O guia foi excelente, foi uma pessoa excepcional, ele explicou bastante, bem-humorada, muito proativa. Gostei muito, recomendo muito. E Johannesburg é maravilhoso e todo mundo tem que visitar Soweto e conhecer aqui a história.
So which is love, right? Peace, happiness, click, respect, friendship.